Okay, let's do some formatting here, because we are going to be using this for a dashboard that we want to create. All right, so let's see. So here, low cost, low mortality countries. All right. Okay, so there is one more thing we can do. We can add an index number here, so it will give you the rank. Okay, right now, of course, the first two you know, but when you go down the list, we don't know the exact rank unless you start counting. So we can apply the rank. This looks different. Okay. All right. Okay. So to insert a rank, so what we can do is, this is a quick table computation. So you double click on one of these shelves. Since we want the ranks for rows, we want the function to be inserted in the rows shelf, not the column shelf. All right, and then you type index. All right. So this will create an index value 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. But there is a little problem here, and that is the default type for index is continuous. All right, so we have to change that to discrete. Okay, so then you will have the index numbers. So now we can move. If you like the index number to be here, that's fine. But if you want the index to be before the name of the country, then we can move it there. So right now the index rank is applied to countries in a different order. So let's look at what order it is using. So if you click the down arrow and select, okay, so you can use compute using or edit table calculations. So we're going to, our next module is table calculations. There are lots of table calculations that we can do. So this is kind of an introduction. So we will delve more deeply into table calculations in the next module. So here there are choices, right? So it's using table down right now. We need to change that to country and region. Okay, so then each country and each region will be ranked. Okay, otherwise only region will get ranked, or only country will get ranked, which will not match with what we want. Okay. Then we have the ranks. So going from 1 to 22. And we can so we can do some formatting here. So let's say we want select all marks and then do show marks. Okay, and then let's align it to the left. And if you want it at the tip, then you have to remember we did this previously. you have to add a reference line and then use left align, then this number will show up at the tip, inside the bar at the tip. Okay, so now let's format this further. This is expenditure. So make sure that the healthcare expenditure is selected, and in the pane we can use dollar with no decimal places. Okay, and then for infant mortality we can select percentage, and 1 decimal place is enough for that. Okay. Now axis, okay, let's make it percentage. Oh, not for this. For infant mortality, okay, so select infant mortality percentage, right? And then for healthcare expense axis is dollars. All right. Now we can change the axis title. We can probably take the AVG out of it. There. So okay. So this is in increasing order of infant mortality, and then the expense, per capita expense, is shown here, and region is used for color.